Sup fam, it is me, Andre Taylor. So something that really piques my interest is filmmaking. And filmmaking is just beautiful because as a child, I always wanted to be an actor. And as an actor, sometimes you have to create your own projects. And so I just got the new iPhone 12 Pro and it has a really great camera. And so I wanted to check out how it filmed. And I got some really great shots, but then I found this app. And this app, so if you know anything about filming, especially when filming video, you want to film in one of the most flat images you can. And a lot of really high-end cameras have this thing called log footage. And what log footage does is it flattens out the footage so that when you can put it into the editor later, you can color correct it and do all sorts of cool things. The camera I'm shooting this on right now, this is a Sony a5100. With the Sony a5100, you actually cannot get log footage. So when I'm doing any color correction or whatnot, I actually had to do some saturation and some color balancing features on the camera to get a kind of close to flat image. So when I am going to color correct, I can kind of tilt with it. But then I learned that with this app called Filmic Pro. So let's check it out. So this is Filmic Pro. So as you can see right now is that I am filming from what is shown to be my actual camera on my phone. And so this is the same camera that you would see in your regular iPhone anyways. And here's me filming me, Inception. Obviously. The cool things of this app is the fact that you can go into some deeper features of the camera. Now, I have bought the versions, so this app is definitely an app that you have to buy. It is $14.99, and to get to the log features, you do need to spend another $14.99. So it is, but now you have a log camera in your pocket, y'all. That's crazy. Okay, so if you tap on here, and you can actually change the color temperature of what the camera is seeing. It's insane. So like, for example, let's go back and look right here and just look at how that color shift is going. What we came here for is log. So you have a few different things you can do, and I think you'll really get the best features of it from seeing it actually. What we came here is for log 2. And actually, in order to open 10-bit, especially, which is only able to be accessed from the 12 Pro models, but in able to do that, you would go to your settings down here, resolution. From here, you would go from 8-bit, 10-bit. There you go. So now we have log 3. And so you really get to see those color changes. And from here, we should be able to mess with some of the colors, and I'll bring something out. So here it is without colors. And then here it is with color correction on. Can you tell the difference of what using log it does? That is how you shoot log footage with your iPhone. It's pretty insane because you're doing things that thousands of dollars of DSLRs can do. It's really cool that a phone in your pocket can do that, but that means you can film some really high dynamic films with just your phone. And we've seen films that have been filmed on Filmic Pro, which is just a really cool app. And if you want me to go through more features on there, I definitely can. Let me know in the comments down below. I decided to do some shots on my rooftop as well as going to the beach. Let me know what you think. I'll put both the unedited log footage as well as the color corrected log footage. That way you can see both and you tell me what you think. So tell me what you thought about that footage and whether you think I should just give up filmmaking altogether, because I obviously have no eye for it. Please, in the comments down below, let me know what you think. And if you like this video, please show it some love by tapping that like button. That really helps out the channel and helps the YouTube algorithm. And please subscribe, that way we can make more of these videos together and we can check out some more iPhone apps and really get into the clouds. My name is Andre Taylor. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video, fam. Bye.